Hey guys, it's Kin. Good morning. Hey guys, so nasa bus na kami papuntang nasa bus na kami guys papuntang Antipolo and pang 8 na sakay ko na to from Cavite.
Dami.
Pang 8 na sakay ko na to from Cavite. And ayun, magkasama na kami. Tututok sa'yo. Magkasama na kami ni, ayan, si Colleen. Then, ayun, Dwayne, hi ka sa vlog. Ron, hi ka sa vlog. Ayan, so ayun guys, pupunta na kaming Antipolo. Tapos ano gagawin? Pupunta Antipolo.
Mag-grocery.
Mag-grocery kami, then Grab na papunta Airbnb. So, all in all, siguro 9 na sakay ako. 9 na sakay from Cavite to Antipolo. Sobrang haggard na namin.
Mahal talaga. Ano tawag ko?
Maruya.
Ano yun?
Hey guys, so bumili kami ng food kasi gutom na kami. Then, hindi kita pinapakita. Then, bumili ako ng Olay. And alam nyo ba guys, last one na siya. Para sa akin na talaga siya. And itong kaibigan ko dito, bumibili ng Dio. Kasi hindi kita pinakita, sinabi ko lang. Bumibili siya ng Dio. Ba't ang mura lang pala, gagi? Bumili siya ng Dio, guys. Kasi naiwan mo, di ba? Naiwan niya. Yung akin naman, guys, meron akong dalang Olay. Pero napisil siya sa bag ko. So, natapon. Kailangan. And, pink.
Hindi, mag-iba na eh.
Kaya kaiba ko. Ayun, guys. After na to, mag-grab na kami papunta sa Airbnb namin. So, yeah. Hoy! Kala ko mababati. Yun. Sasabihin mo ko, mamaya. Hey guys, it's Kin. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you were watching. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, as you can see from the title, oh my god, as you can see from the title, it's going to be the College Diaries episode 31. So ayun guys, today is September 16, 2025 and today is Tuesday and it's our online week and I don't know bakit kinakabahan ako mag-film right now. But ayun guys, as you can see, nasa ibang place ako. So ayun, I don't know kung ano sasabihin ko, but right now, nasa ibang place tayo. You can see naman na iba yung background. So right now, I'm currently here in Antipolo. So ayun, you can see Dre at the back. So, hi ka. So ayun, we're currently here in Antipolo kasi meron kaming PETA guys. Meron kaming PETA sa isang... Nagpa-vlog ako! So, ayun, meron kaming PETA guys sa isang subject which is the marketing. Meron kaming PETA na by group. Kasi if you guys know, my course is under CTHM. Kaya required talaga kami sa mga ganito. And Nung first year kami guys, meron kaming ginawa, which is nag-hotel kami ng mga friends ko. And meron akong vlog, insert ko here yung picture. So ayan, if hindi nyo pa napapanood, make sure na napanood nyo na. So ayun guys, required sa amin mag-ganon. So now, third year college na kami. And ayun, meron kaming PETA na kailangan namin mag-Airbnb or mag-hotel. And ayun guys, this time pinili namin mag-Airbnb. And ang mga kasama ko pa rin is same circle of friends ko pa rin as always na nakikita nyo sa mga college vlogs ko. So pinili namin mag-Airbnb here in Antipolo. So ayun nga, meron kaming PETA which is kailangan namin mag-interview. And in a bit, 4 p.m. In a bit, mga 4 p.m. mag-start na kaming mag-interview. So, yung PETA namin na yun, guys, mag-interview kami, which is ako yung interviewer and si Xavier. Then, ayun, we need some feedbacks about the place or this Airbnb, you know, some research, feedbacks, and so on and so far. So, yun yung pinunta namin here. So, ayun, guys. Also, share ko lang. As you can see, I have no makeup on and ito lang yung outfit ko. Yan, nakasando lang ako na black and then nakakap lang ako na Ralph Lauren and my Calvin Klein jogging pants. And yung bag ko nasa taas. Papakita ko siya sa inyo later kasi it's so pretty. And ayun, wala akong ayos kasi share ko lang. Ayun guys, yesterday, sunod-sunod yung alis ko. Nung nakaraan, nagpunta akong Tagaytay. I think nung Sunday, yeah. Galing akong Tagaytay. And then, yesterday, biglaan, ayun, nanood kami ng mga friends ko, which is hindi silang friends Nanood kami ng The Conjuring and we had some dinner and some coffee. So, nakauwi ako gabi na, super late na. And sobrang puyat na puyat ako kanina, guys. Wala pa akong proper sleep. Kaya ayun, dapat kanina, guys, aalis ako sa, ano ba to? Dapat aalis ako kanina sa house, 8 a.m. But guess what, guys? Nagising ako 8 a.m. and wala na talaga akong time mag-makeup pa, mag-ayos, and retouch and everything. So, sobrang rush na ako kanina. Buti na lang naayos ko na yung gamit ko nung nakaraang araw and naayos ko na yung bag ko kahapon. Meron na lang mga kailangang idagdag. So, ayun, sobrang nagmamadali ako kanina, guys. Kaya, ayun. Pero, mag-aayos ako, of course. Later, magre-retouch talaga ako. Actually, guys, gusto ko nga maligo. Kasi sobrang init. Like, parang nanlalagkit na ako, ganun. So, ayun, guys. For today, that's what's going to happen. So, ang plan ko is I'm going to have a photo shoot later. I'm going to have some photo shoot. And also, I think by 4 p.m., mag-start na kaming gawin yung PETA namin. And isa ako sa interviewer, kami nga ni Xavier. And ayun guys, later, magdi-dinner kami ng mga friends ko. They are going to cook some pasta and I don't know. And ayun, we're gonna have some dinner and of course, we're gonna drink and have some party kapag natapos na namin yung PETA na kailangan namin i-accomplish by today. So, ayun guys, it's going to be a very fun vlog. So, parang part 2 to nung party na ginawa namin nung first year kami na, ayun nga, panoorin nyo guys. So, ayun guys, I'm going to take you guys with me today and up until nandito kami. So, yeah. So, ayun guys, akit na ako kasi nag-aambagan na sa taas. And yun, sasama ko kayo. Also guys, magkakaroon din ako ng tour ng place. So, let's go. Okay, let's go. Ano makuha ko tuloy paano ito? Yan.
Gagano'n ka ba?
Go. Lumapit ka doon. Yan. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1. Go. 1.
Click mo lang.
Sige, 1, 2, 3.
Taray ko.
Click
So, ganito.
Ayan, more on kulit. Ayusin mo yung buhok mo, medyo pinagpapawisan ko.
Paano?
Yan. 1, 2, 3. Medyo awkward ka, tignan.
Awkward talaga ako.
Ano naman natin para mais.
Umalis ka nga! Rod! Sapa. 1, 2, 3. Ano ba din pa? Tinan mo nga.
Ba't baba mo?
Uy, maganda naman na. Ba't ang ganda mo sa'yo?
Bakit
Sa akin. Isa pa tayo ba? Sige, ikaw maturuan mo ako. Paano? Pag gano'n. So, ayun guys, medyo room tour. Ito yung itsura. Hi, Karon. Ron! Okay, bahala ka dyan. Ganyan yung tsura mo dyan. Dwayne, hi ka sa vlog. So, ayun. Dito tayo sa second floor. And, ayan. We have something like this here.
McDonald's play,
Yan. So pretty. So, ayun. Kita mo yung baba. Thank you, Iya! Iya, hi ka sa vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Thank you! So, ayun guys. For our second floor, we have here 2 beds. So, yan. Dito kami. And, ayun nga, meron tayo ditong ganito. And, this is the view. Yan. And, ayun. So, bababa na tayo. Hi ka ulit. And, ayun. Ganito bababa. Sobrang nakakatakot. Oh my God. Hoy! Wag kayo makita yung ganyan side ko sa vlog, putik. Hi ka sa vlog, Zav. Hi ka sa vlog, Dwayne. And this is the first floor. So, ayun guys, this is the first floor. And this is what it looks like. May curtain lang na maganda. And, ayun, kakatapos lang namin mag-film. Kaya we have the tripod here and may sofa lang. And, here, nandito yung shower. And we have here the comfort room. So, ito lang itsura niya. And, ayan. And also, here, ayan, sige nga, sabihin mo sa vlog.
We have the spectacular view, bro.
Yes, Ron? So, this is what it looks like, guys. So, ilalabas ko kayo. So, ayan. And, ayan, paglabas mo here, this is the view. You can see Manila. And, ayan. Puro trees. And, ayan. Doon, right there, merong chair, table and chair, and yan. And this is the swimming pool, and
It's a
this
perfect
is
place to
Zav.
dump a body.
Huh?
It's a perfect place to dump a body.
Huwag niyo pansinin yan, guys. And yan, meron tayo dito the swimming pool. So, this is what it looks like. Actually, hindi pala. Third floor ata yung sa taas. Tapos, second floor, ito. Ito yung first floor. So, ayun, ibababa ko kayo, people. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Now, pababa ako. And, ito yung mga nangyayari. Uy, huwag kayong magmura. Nagpa-vlog me. Wait, ma. So, ayan guys. Right here, nandito yung mga foods namin. And, Dre, say hi to the vlog. Dre, hindi ka pa nag-hi sa vlog. Dre, wala ka dun. Ganun guys. We have here Rafael. So, ayan, 6 kami. And, yan, nandun. Ayan, si Kulit. So, ayun, nandun yung mga food namin. He's going to cook, people! Rafael Andre in the house!
Ay, likpit na yung mga.
Ito yan, Kulin! Ito ang aming chef. Ano yan? Kinulot kita para itali mo ng ganyan.
Bakit na ako yung pangsayaw ko?
Hey guys! So, it's currently 6:25 p.m. And this is my look. Ayan. And also, I'm wearing my dress. This is my dress. And naka-curl lang yung hair ko. And ayun, sana hindi ko maka-copyright. And for my accessory, this is my accessories. So ayun guys, nag-photoshoot ako quickly kanina ng two-piece outfit ko. But yeah, nag-change ako ng dress kasi magdi-dinner na kami. And tapos na rin na kami mag-interview. And now magdi-dinner na kami. And after namin mag-dinner, iinom na kami. We're gonna drink na and we're gonna go swim na. But yeah, mag-photoshoot pa siguro ako dito sa outfit na to and also sa two-piece ko. Di pa ako tapos. So, ayun guys, kain na kami. Dinner. Sino nagluto? Ikaw? Tsaka si Dre. Thank you. Thank you, chefs. mil yung slice ng chicken.
Kaya ako ano, ice roll.
Ano to? Ano nakakabas sa
Nasa GC.
Hindi pwede nasa lang sa GC kasi wala ka data.
Ako na.
Yun, kabisado.
Ayan siya guys, oh. Hi ka sa vlog.
Ano kala mo, napapaano siya eh.
Rafa! Sumigaw ka!
Puro intro siya.
Agaw, sabi mo what's up, Antipolo? Wala na. Dali na!
Umihibig sa'yo kahit na natuto sa likod ng mga tala kahit sumabak sa langit sa mga ulap sumisilip sa likod ng mga tala
Ayan na, photoshoot na.
kasi hindi pantay eh.
Maganda alternate para makita pa rin.
Boy girl.
Kasi kaya ka sa likod diba?
Tingnan tayo.
Bubuhatin niyo.
Putang ina. Oh.
Ako din kasi na ganun bro. Bro, sige na. Try mo lang. Ay palit, kailan ka na lang. Try mo yan.
Ayun na. Layo. Putang ina. Ba't kita ng pikot? Ano ba yan?
Sige na.
Teka, matignan muna natin.
Ay, hindi. Ito gawin natin. Habang may
Kaya.
Sige. Sige.
Ay, go, go, ganda. Tapos na yan.
Tapos mamaya may patayo din ah. May pa
Okay,
ano din.
natin Huwag na natin gawing formal, gawin natin masaya.
Portrait din mamaya.
Buhatin niyo ako. Hindi na ako ganun na pala.
Hindi ko
Sige
Hindi
na.
malalaglag sa pool.
malalaglag na ako.
Bye.
Bakit ako?
Lasing mo.
Dapat hindi mo na ako umiinom eh.
Lapit na ako yung
Kumukulit ako.
Game! Lapit na yung sumakay. Uy, gawa na natin yung kikiling na.
Ganda.
Pagkakagad mo. Baka ano ko dyan? Hindi ko yung
Ano ba? Uy, kita yung butas ng short ko ha. Agaw na maayos ka.
Maayos din naman yun.
Ang saya kaya. Go, go.
Ang pangit.
Buhatin niyo silang dalawa. Ay, hindi ko na pwede.
Okay, Ray. Ray, buwan yung si Ray, gano'n, no?
Butas niyo yung shirt ko. Ay, hindi. Tapos ganyan sa... Dito kayo kita. Hindi, buhatin mo na lang si Colin. Kaya si Colin. Go na. Baba mo nga masaglit para di ka mapagod. Go, pesto. Pesto. Paano ginagawa mo? May pinipinata? Ay, putang ina. Go na. Teka, wait lang. Pinipin doon. Go.
Rafa, pati tayo.
Go. Pabuhat ka na. Buhatin na sila.
Sino ba buwan?
Gusto ko din nakabuhat.
Ray na, nakipaghiga. Kaya mo ba ako?
Kaya mo na ako.
Kaya mo ba
Buhatin
ako?
mo si Colin. Buhatin mo si Colin. Buhatin mo si Ben.
Kaya ako nagpunta pa rin.
Wait, go! Nasa kaya. 1, 2, 3, go.
Aray ko!
Oh, ikat.
Patingin. Yung walang buwat.
Just to say how much you
Happy birthday to you.
if I told you you
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands.
Happy birthday, Pauline.
I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the
When you go down, when you go down, down, you take my hand right now, right now. When you go down,
my life, so don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna fade up on my team? See what's the point in making it fun? 'Cause girl, I've never been more sure that it's you. This ring here represents my heart. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl.
Hey guys! So, ayun. Kakatapos ko lang mag-picture and tapos na rin kaming mag-picture Tapos na, it's fine. Tapos na rin kami mag-picture ng circle of friends ko. And ayun nga, life update. Tapos na rin kaming mag-interview for our PETA. And nag-dinner na kami. And yun, we're currently drinking. And right now, mag-swimming na kami ng mga friends ko. And ayun guys, this is what I look like. And right now, I'm wearing my bikini top. So, ayan. And ayun. And ayan, naka-bikini talaga ako guys. Pero, hindi ko pa tinatanggal. So, nakapants ako na white. And ayun, may dala akong sombrero ko. And Kulin, hi ka. Kulin! Hi! Ayun. So, si Kulin guys, medyo tipsy lang. And, pero ngayon, okay na, nahihimas-masa na siya. Nagma-my day lang siya. Then, magsuswimming na kami. So, yeah.
Love, no. And make you smile at every word I wrote. What would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene? And wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore?
Tsaka yung bread. Tsaka itong, ano tawag dito? Nachos. Now, coffee na tayo.
Buhay ko ay nag-iba simula nang makilala ka. Every hour, every minute, nais ka makita. Halos di kumain, makausap lang sa phone.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me. If I told you you were beautiful,
Gago na.
would you date me on the regular?
Yung pangalang laos, masakit mo yung
Baby, I've been
parang ang dami
around.
nakakilig sa ating pagparang
But
hindi
I
sila
ain't
sa
seen
ayon sa
myself
pag-ibig
with
natin.
another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you.
Silaw tayo, bagay, lumayo ka na.
I can see
Ang
us
bawat
holding hands,
sinungaling
walking with each
mo.
other inside. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Boy! Boy! Hi guys, I'm done.
Another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Hey guys, good morning. So it's currently 9:44 a.m. in the morning and kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast and kahapon ako yung pinakaunang nakatulog sa amin. Ako yung pinakaunang nakatulog sa amin. I think mga 1 mga 1 a.m. I think mga 1 a.m. guys, tulog na ako. Like, ayun, lahat sila nag-chill numan pa, I think. Hi ka sa vlog. Nag-chill numan pa sila and nag-deep talk sa ata sila hanggang 4 a.m. and I'm asleep. So, yeah. Hi ka nga. Xavier, pakita mo. Shit, papi.
Baba ka na nga. Wait, tayo na.
Hi ka sa vlog. Pakita mo yung bicep mo.
Wala nga.
Say hi to the vlog. Show your bicep, Rafa.
Hi everyone, we're here at Bali Antipolo
Vlog
and
takeover by Dre.
I really loving it. I love the place, the ambience, everything. And one thing that I notice here is it's kind of unfinished, but at the same time, you wouldn't notice it because you're going half. Naghanap ka kasi talaga ako.
Yung alis namin guys is until 5 p.m. pero alis kami 3. Tama.
At
Hey guys, so it's currently 11:46 and babangon na rin ako here ng mga, I think mga 12:30 dahil matagal ako mag-ayos. And kasama ko dito si Colleen.
Hi guys!
Ayun, and also si Rafa Si Rafa ba? Si Rafa and si Zav nandun, kakatapos lang namin mag-tiktok. Nasaan yung dalawa? Nasaan yung dalawa?
Nasa taas. Kakantuhan. They're having their moment.
Yes! Akin din eh. Hey guys! So, it's currently 3:16 p.m. in the afternoon. And, ayun, paalis na kami. This is how my look. And for my outfit, ayan, nagsando lang ako na white. Very simple. And kinurl ko yung hair ko as always. And, ay, may nag-CR. Ay, hindi. And, ayun, naka-Calvin Klein lang ako na jogging pants. And, ayun, nagsalamin lang ako. And for my accessories, and, ayun, I have here my ring, my Chanel and my white ring. And ayun, paalis na kami. Naayos na namin yung gamit namin. And yeah. For my bag, ayun guys, hindi ko pa pala sa inyo napapakita yung bag ko. So this is my bag. And I have here my sombrero and may another bag na hindi ko alam ba't hindi na siya kasa. Kasya ngayon doon. And ayun, paalis na kami. And ayun.
Saan pa manggagaling?
Cancel ko na to ah.